Are you struggling with your programming assignments? Do you find yourself stuck on a particular problem and unsure of how to proceed? Don't worry, help is here. Introducing Programming Assignment Help, Tips and Tricks. In this video, we will share some valuable insights to help you tackle your programming assignments with confidence and ease. First and foremost, make sure you understand the requirements of the assignment. Take the time to read through the instructions carefully and clarify any doubts you may have. Next, break down the problem into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make it easier to approach and solve the assignment step by step. Don't hesitate to seek help from online resources, forums, or even your peers. Sometimes, a fresh perspective can make all the difference. And remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice coding, the more comfortable and proficient you will become. So there you have it, some valuable tips and tricks to help you excel in your programming assignments. We hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and don't